What's up guys, it's your girl Naya, and today I am back with another hair video. I have another headband wig, as you seen by the title, to show you guys. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell for post notifications so you never miss a video again. But I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to get right into this video. And if you want to see how this ombre wig is going to look, this ombre headband wig is going to look, continue to watch.
Okay guys, this is the wig that was sent to me by Unice hair or Unice hair. I'm not sure which one it is, but it is a 16-inch ombre wig, ombre headband wig. The packaging was real cool, real cute, as you can see. Just like usual, it also came with the wig cap in the box, 2 headbands, which were really colorful and cute. I love it. And it just came with their information card too, of course. So here is the wig right out the package. I really love the color. It was just like so cute. The wig did have like a smell to it when I smelt it. That's probably why you're gonna see how my face looked right here. But it had minimum shedding when I combed through it, so I really like that. I would just suggest to wash it first just to get the smell out, because I really did not like that. So the wig came with 3 combs, 1 in the back, 2 on the side, and it did have an adjustable strap. So you can adjust the wig to your head size. And then here is the headband part that is just Velcro on it. So it's super easy to put on because all you have to do is snap that Velcro together. And there you go. So like I said, minimal shedding. And you see it's really nothing coming out. Even after I curled it and combed through it a lot, it was like no shedding at all. At all.
I really like this color. Like, I'm really feeling the color. Okay, so I have the wig on now. I'm gonna push this headband part. Like, the headband part is pretty big. I think I'm gonna like fold it over a bit. Yeah, just a little bit. This is how it's looking up close. And I just had natural edges, didn't really do too much. One of my edges, anyways. But I definitely like this color off back. Definitely, like, it's a good ombre effect. Like, this color is really pretty, and it looks really pretty on my skin. This is only 16 inches. If you guys see, this seems like really short to me. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, because I can show you guys the back, and it only comes right there. I'm gonna say overall, I like this wig. I just love this color. Like, this color is everything. Y'all see how I just popped it on and it's already like, it's already looking like this. I think I'm gonna do some curls, something different, or should I leave it straight? I think I'm gonna do some curls because I did my last headband wig straight, and I think that's gonna look good. Okay guys, so I just curled the hair and I just like combed it out with my fingers, played with it a little bit, but let's just say, I'ma just say it, this wig is the bomb. I love it. Like it's just giving me life. Like, look at this color, look at it. Yes. So I don't even have a headband on yet, if you guys notice. I just have the one that they sent with the wig. I'm gonna move it up a bit, and I think that I want to try one of the ones that they sent, one of the headbands they sent me. These two I have to choose from. I think I'm gonna go with this one because I kind of like this one better. Plus I got on a white top, so it'll match. So this is how it looks with the headband they sent. Oh my, I like it. I really do. I would probably prefer to like turn it over a bit so I can get some of that other print. Yeah, like that print. I guess that's kind of cool. You can just like turn it over. I mean, it looks cute. I like it. Now, like I said, this wig is 16 inches. It is an ombre wig. I believe it is 150 density. It might be 180. I'm definitely gonna check and make sure. But I mean, I really don't have anything bad to say about this wig. It's like no shedding. It just had the little smell at first that I told you guys about, but other than that, I love it. Like, it's really giving life. It is cute. Yes. Okay guys, but once again, I would like to thank Unice Hair for sending me this wig. I love it so much. Y'all, go get you this headband wig. Like, you see, I was just Naya, but now I'm just like a different Naya with this color though. But yes, before you go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell for post notifications, like I said before, so you never miss a video. And if you would like me to do more hair videos on this channel, just comment below. I will be starting to do some on my own personal channel, so make sure you subscribe to that channel. The link will be in the description, and make sure you go get this wig. All the links and information will be in the description below. Thank you for watching, guys. Love you.